Okay, testing out the new pressure washer. Just going to give this a degrease and then a pressure wash and see how clean I can get it. I was going to bring you out before I started and I forgot, but here we are. Righto, after all that degreaser I got with the pressure washer is shit house. So I've just got to wait now. The wife's going to pick me up a can of degreaser on the way home, so I'm going to go and get stuck into this stove that I bought, and I'll finish this when she gets back. This is the next one. I'm going to strip this apart and I'm going to cut the top off. I don't need that, all I need is the oven. So I'll chop it down, make it as small as possible so I can find somewhere to put it in the garage hopefully, so I can do my powder coating. I'll go and grab the stuff and explain why. Alright, now these are the bits that I've painted, and it's hard to show. Let me see if I can get that light shining on it. Maybe you can see all those spots on there. It's all the way around. It looks fucking horrible. This one is the same. Might be hard to see, but it's all lumpy, like air bubbles and shit. And I can't expect people to buy that, so that's why yesterday I bought myself a powder coater and some powder. They should be here, apparently supposed to be here Friday-ish. So I need an oven. You only need to bake it for 15 minutes at 200 degrees, so we'll more than cope with it. So I'm going to do that. So I'll put you in the stand in a minute once I go get some tools and start pulling it apart. Stay tuned. Okay, now that's that done. Let me pull some cord through. Now by rights, when I plug this in, shouldn't go do, let's see. There we go. That's power. Let me unplug this, take you out of the stand. Now, for all intents and purposes, now when I turn that control on, that oven should turn on. And it should work. Should. That green one just on earth, I think that went into the cooktop. Into that one. Let's see if I can find somewhere to put this. I'll put it back in the stand for a second. Right. Now, hold on to this very, very gingerly. Nothing's happening here. Okay, it's running. That wire there, I put your finger on because it's live. So you can hear that's running and it's warming up. I like that. The only thing I might have fucked up is the light to say when it's hot temperature or not, but that doesn't matter. It is there, but I might see if I can get it working because I'm going to chop that little piece off the top where the whatsy goes, where the knob goes, and I'm going to put something on top of here. I don't know what yet, maybe the back, or cut the back, put it back on. I've got some sheet metal around the side there somewhere, I might get a bit of that, because I think I found somewhere to put this, so yeah, so it looks like it's going to work. I'm glad, and probably glad that I edited out the bit where I threw the breaker on the place because, you know, reasons. I'm going to leave that go for a little while and I'm going to finish degreasing this shit down the bottom of the driveway. Stay tuned. Alrighty, there we go, all finished. All chopped down. Now to the temperature knob on the side. And that's what's left out. I've got to find somewhere to put all that shit. I'll do a little bit more when I take it inside and put it on the shelf, but that's it for now. I've got to get that in and go and get all that shit down there after I've cleaned the block and the crank. Tidy up. Fuck me, that is going to take me hours to do that. Stay tuned. Well, there we go, in position where it's going, and it's working. Well, the light's not working, but it wasn't working when I got it, so it's hooked up. Nice warm air coming out of there. Beautiful. Be nice if it had a sideways door, but beggars can't be choosers, eh? Yeah, I think that'll work good. Now just got to wait for me shit to show up, and then I can start bloody powder coat. And from what I read, I did a little bit of research. It's not hard to do, so. The only problem I'm going to have here is I might have to make just a bit of a booth or something that I'll sit over that piss this pipe notcher off, put it somewhere else, and make something that I can just sit over there when I'm powder coating, because otherwise you're going to have fucking powder coat dust all over the place. I'll sort that out anyway. So you just have to wait and see now. Now I've got to go and clean up this fucking mess I've got outside. The fucking mess too, let me tell you. So, and get that engine back in, get it back up on the stand, take the power, the pressure washer away. There we go. Job done for the day.